New DeepSeek AI agent. Today, I'm going to show you a huge AI leak that just dropped. DeepSeek is building something crazy. It's coming this year. So here's what happened. Bloomberg just leaked some huge news about DeepSeek, and this is not confirmed yet. This is all insider sources talking. But if this is true, it's going to be massive. DeepSeek is working on something called an AI agent, not just another chatbot, not just another tool, an actual AI agent that can do things for you, real things, complex things, without you having to hold its hand every step of the way. Now, let me tell you why this matters. Remember back in January when DeepSeek dropped their R1 model? That thing broke the internet. It was as good as ChatGPT, but it cost almost nothing to build. OpenAI spent hundreds of millions, DeepSeek spent maybe 6 million. 6 million, that's pocket change in AI world. And now they're back with something even bigger. According to these Bloomberg sources, DeepSeek is building what they call an agentic AI model. Big word, right? Let me break it down for you. This thing can do multiple steps. Like you tell it to plan your vacation, it doesn't just give you ideas, it actually books your flights, finds your hotels, makes your reservations, does all the work. That's what an agent does. It acts for you. Right now, when you use ChatGPT or Claude, you ask a question, it gives you an answer. Then you have to do the work. You have to copy and paste. You have to click buttons. You have to finish the job. But an AI agent, it does the whole job, start to finish, no human needed. DeepSeek is saying their new model will learn and improve too. So the more it works for you, the better it gets. It remembers what you like, it learns your style, it gets smarter about your needs. This is coming in quarter 4 this year. That means October, November, December. So we're talking about just a few months away. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. DeepSeek is a Chinese company. They're based in Hangzhou, and they're going head to head with American companies like OpenAI. This is basically AI World War III happening right now. I want to tell you about something that can help you right now, even before these new agents come out. It's called the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I help business owners scale with AI automation. We currently have 1,000 members, and they're saving hundreds of hours every month using AI tools that exist today, not waiting for the future, taking action now. These are business owners who understand that AI is changing everything, and they want to be ahead of the curve, not behind it. Inside the AI Profit Boardroom, we share the latest AI tools, the best automation strategies, the exact processes that are working right now. Now, OpenAI has been working on agents too. Microsoft has agents, Anthropic has agents. But here's the thing about DeepSeek, they do things cheaper, way cheaper, and sometimes better. Their R1 model that came out in January, it shocked Silicon Valley. Mark Andreessen called it AI's Sputnik moment. That's like when Russia beat America to space. It was a wake up call because here's what happened with R1. American companies were spending billions on AI training, billions, and then DeepSeek shows up with something just as good for almost nothing. It made everyone ask the big question: are we spending too much? Are we doing this wrong? And now they're doing it again with agents. The sources talking to Bloomberg say this new model will carry out multi step actions with little human help. That's the holy grail of AI right there. You just tell it what you want, it figures out how to do it, then it does it. Think about this for your business. Right now, you probably spend hours doing boring tasks, sending emails, scheduling meetings, updating spreadsheets, managing social media. All that stuff takes time. But what if an AI agent could do all that while you sleep, while you focus on big picture stuff? That's what we're talking about here. That's the future DeepSeek is building. Now, I need to be clear, this is all leaked information. DeepSeek hasn't officially announced anything. These are sources talking to Bloomberg, people inside the company, but they want to stay anonymous. So we don't know for sure this is happening, but Bloomberg is pretty reliable. They don't publish rumors, they check their sources. And here's what makes me think this is real. DeepSeek has been dropping hints. They released something called V3.1 a few weeks ago. They said it was their first step toward building an AI agent. That was their exact words. So they've been working on this. The only question is how far along they are. But here's why they might pull it off. They're not starting from zero. They have all the experience from one round. They know how to build powerful models cheap. They just need to add the agent features. And those agent features, they're basically the ability to use tools, to click buttons, to fill out forms, to interact with websites and apps. That's harder than it sounds, but it's not impossible. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below and let me know what you think about this DeepSeek news. But here's the scary part and the exciting part. These agents won't just follow instructions. They'll learn, they'll get better, they'll start suggesting improvements. Imagine an agent that knows your business better than you do because it's working on it every day, every hour, never gets tired, never makes mistakes, always learning. That's the future DeepSeek is building. But there are challenges too, big ones. Current AI agents have problems. They make mistakes, they get confused, they break down when things don't go as planned. One expert said most people try AI agents once or twice, then give up because they're not reliable enough. Success rate is under 90%. That's not good enough for business. DeepSeek needs to solve this. They need to make agents that just work every time, no matter what. So the competition is fierce right now. DeepSeek has one big advantage though: cost. Their R1 model proved they can build world-class AI for pennies on the dollar. If they can do the same with agents, they'll win on price. But price isn't everything. The agent has to work, it has to be reliable, it has to be safe. If this is real, it's huge. Because DeepSeek has a track record, they delivered with 1 rand, they shocked the world, they can probably do it again. The question is whether they can beat the competition. The pressure is on now, they set expectations, now they have to meet them, and those expectations are high because of what they did with R1. People expect DeepSeek to deliver something amazing, something that changes the game. The agent market is getting crowded though. Besides the big players, there are smaller companies too, startup companies building specialized agents for specific industries, specific tasks. DeepSeek needs to build something general, something that works for everyone. That's harder than building something specific. But if they pull it off, the rewards are huge. The AI agent market could be worth trillions, not billions, trillions, because agents can replace human workers in many jobs. That's a massive market. DeepSeek wants a piece of that, maybe a big piece. One challenge they'll face is trust, especially outside China. Some companies don't want to use Chinese AI for security reasons, for political reasons. But DeepSeek might not care. The Chinese market is huge. If they dominate there, that's already a massive business, plus they're open source. Their R1 model is free to use, free to modify. Anyone can download it. That builds trust because you can see exactly how it works. If they make their agent open source too, that could be a game changer because then anyone can use it, improve it, build on top of it. That's how you beat the big companies, not by being bigger, but by being more open, more accessible. The AI world is changing fast. 6 months ago, nobody knew who DeepSeek was. Now they're competing with OpenAI, with Microsoft, with Google. That's how fast things move in AI. One breakthrough can change everything. And that's what makes this leak so interesting. If DeepSeek really is building a game-changing agent, we could see another major shift, another Sputnik moment. The question is, are you ready for it? Because here's what I know for sure. AI agents are coming, whether it's DeepSeek or someone else. This technology is getting built by multiple companies racing to be first. And when it arrives, it's going to change how we work, how we run businesses, how we live our lives. You can wait and see what happens, or you can start preparing now, learning about AI, testing tools, building skills. That's why I created the AI Money Lab. It's where we share the latest AI tools and strategies with step-by-step processes, real examples, actual results. We have an SOP and process for everything, over 100 use cases, all the tools you need to automate your business. Starting today, the link is in the comments and description. If you want to scale your business with AI right now, check out the AI Profit Boardroom, 1,000 members, all getting results, all saving time and making money with AI. Third, if you need help with SEO and getting more customers, book a free SEO strategy session. Link is in the comments and description. We'll show you exactly how to get more leads and customers using SEO. And finally, join the AI Money Lab, 19,000 members, over 100 tutorials, all the latest AI tools and strategies, step-by-step processes, real results. The future is coming fast. These DeepSeek leaks might be just one example, whether they're confirmed or not, but there will be more, many more. Whether these specific leaks are true or not, the question is, will you be ready? Will you have the skills and knowledge to succeed, or will you be scrambling to catch up? The choice is yours, but the time to act is now, because AI waits for no one, and neither should you. Thanks for watching. Remember, everything we talked about today is leaked information that's not confirmed yet, nothing official. But the AI revolution is definitely happening. Make sure you're part of it.